Hey YouTube, so step number 2 of the house. So tomorrow I'm going to bring my mom over here, and something that needs to be done and definitely should be done before I bring her here is I was looking in my storage at home, and I just happened to have all these bug bombs. Where I got them, why I have them, I don't know. I've had them for years, that's a fact. So, I'm going to take some cardboard and cut some little squares out where the cans can sit on them. And then I'm going to run around the house from the top to the bottom and start lighting them off. I already came in this nasty kitchen, opened up all the cupboards and stuff. And I got the thermostat ready to put on fan only to circulate all this poison. And so that's the plan. So I'm going to cut some cardboard up. I just grabbed an old cardboard box and a box cutter and cut out some squares. That way the bug bombs have a flat surface to sit on. So it looks like I got 8 of them. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count. Yeah, looks like we got 8. We got a indoor fogger. And there's also bedbugs or something. So we're just going to set them all off. I'm going to start upstairs. And come on down. I'm going to get them all set up where I just need to run up, press the buttons, come down, press the buttons, and then vamonos. So we'll put one right here, and then another one in this double toilet bathroom with the vintage vanities. Get these things all opened up. So I was telling you guys that this bathroom looks new, right? When I was opening the cupboards in the kitchen, I found this receipt from Bath Fitter. It was installed like a few months ago. That one. I'll try and get some lights on here. I guess they're all burned out. Alright, so shake them up. And then you click it down. Just like so. And then you do the same right here. And you do the same right there. And coming on down. There. Fan to on. Got that guy. Now the fan's on. That guy. Okay, guys. Well, that was I guess we'll call it Plan 1B, right? So we got all the bugs and fleas and stuff like that getting killed overnight, and then I'll bring Mom in tomorrow so she can see her new home for the first time. Okay, guys. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, share, and all that stuff. All right. Adios.
205. We're going to be on a little documentary series here, I can tell.
You're going to be on YouTube.
200 YouTube. I want to be on it. 205. 205. 205 down on a to get 2 to get 205. We get 200 to get tight there. You guys are going to watch it on YouTube. You see how much money he makes. You'll have it all documented. It could have been you.
YouTube's got to pay for it.
200.